Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to your very own channel, National Health and Nutrition Foundation, where we make healthy eating simple, delicious, and fun. Today, I've got a quick and nutritious breakfast recipe for you: Greek yogurt parfait. It's perfect for busy mornings or even as a light snack. Let's dive right in. First, grab a cup of unsweetened, low-fat Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, which keeps you full and energized all morning. Next, add half a cup of fresh berries. Choose your favorites like strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries. Berries are bursting with antioxidants and vitamins. Now sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of low-sugar granola for that perfect crunch. Granola adds fiber and a bit of sweetness without the sugar overload. And if you like a touch of sweetness, drizzle a teaspoon of honey on top. Honey is optional but adds a natural touch of sweetness. Layer it all in a bowl or glass and voila, you've got a delicious Greek yogurt parfait ready in minutes. So easy, even your 5-the-grade self could do it. Stay healthy and enjoy your parfait. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and healthy recipes. Happy eating!